How to stop autoplay video on Twitter or X now. Before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. That would help us out a lot. So let's begin. So once you are in your app, what you want to do is tap on your profile at the top left. And from here, tap on this drop down, settings and support. Then go to your settings and privacy. And from here, what you want to do is go to accessibility, display and languages. Go to data uses, the last option. Under your video settings, what you want to do is select this option that is video autoplay. So essentially what you want to do is select this to never, and obviously the video autoplay is going to stop, but this is also going to save your mobile data as well. So if you're on mobile data, the autoplay option, if you turn it off, it will save you your mobile data. So that is a plus point as well. Once you do this, your video autoplay should be stopped. So if I go to any video on my feed right now, play it like this, and if I just go to the end, after the video ends, it's not going to autoplay the next video on the feed. So you will have to manually scroll to see the next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.